Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add video and photo to Facebook posts. So here I've already on my Facebook and I want to add a new post. So just click on the what's on your mind here. And then here, if you want to add photo or video, just click on this option photo or video, and then you'll be directed to your gallery here, and then you can just choose the photo or video that you want to add. So if you want to choose video and photo, you can just click on select a multiple and then choose video and also photo that you want to add, and then click on next. And here is, you can see there is a video and also a photo that I want to add, and here you can just say something about this. For example, let's drink coffee, for example, and then if you're done, just click on post, and after that your video and also a photo will be posted in your Facebook profile, and you can just wait until it's fully load. Okay guys, so I think that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to click on like and also leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.